how to sign out on Netflix or how to log out of your account on Netflix. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can sign out of your account on Netflix. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide it through. In order to sign out of your Netflix account, first you're gonna open up Netflix, and there, once you're logged in here, you'll get an interface like this, right? You're gonna simply tap on the My Netflix option at the bottom right corner. At the bottom you can see home, games, news and hot, and you can see My Netflix, right? You're gonna simply tap on My Netflix. Once on this page, you're gonna tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen, the three horizontal line icon that you can see. And there you can get a pop-up. At the bottom you can see manage profiles, app settings, account, help, and you can see sign out option there. Simply tap on sign out and you'll get signed out. So this way you can sign out or log out of Netflix. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.